I am going to do an unboxing today of a LED grow light that I received from Vivosun for free to evaluate. So I'm in my foster room, so this will be an unboxing with kittens and we will see how it goes. So let me show the package that it came in. They send it in its box, but it's just in one of those little plastic containers, and that's a kitten walking by the camera. And it did come, so it's got like holes in the plastic packaging, and it did come with a big dent in the box, so we'll see if the light is okay inside. Like an extra challenge to unbox something with 6 kittens. These are my foster kittens that I have right now, and they like to participate in things. They like it very much, don't you? Okay, so here's the box. It is a Vivosun full spectrum LED grow light. Comes with the power cord, so we can test it out right away. And let's see. And then beside that dent, the box doesn't look too damaged, which is right here on the side, and so maybe it'll be all right. I don't have scissors for this. You don't want to have scissors near kittens. Everything, if you're wondering, is jiggling around because the kittens keep going up and investigating the camera. Hi, Mew. Mew's looking. Say hello, Mew. Hi. Want to say hello? Alright, so opening up the box. Alright, comes with a little pamphlet on grow lights, on instruction manual, how to use it. You guys, and I am gonna adjust the camera a little bit so you guys can see down into the box. And the kittens, they're gonna end up with like, this could be a video of kitten butt is what I can tell it's gonna be. All right, can Vivosun packaging stand up to kittens? So, and I'm wearing my glitter cat t-shirt, as you can see. All right, Abra. All right, let's give me some room. It's got don't attack the tripod, Abra, don't attack the tripod. All right, and one kitten is chewing the manual. All right, so here's the foam out there. And then, oh, hey, I'm taking stuff out of this box. All right, there's something in this. Let's see what's in here. Whoa! All right. That would be kitten. Kittens are vicious. If you didn't know that kittens were vicious, now you know kittens are vicious. Alright. I was still trying to get this box open. Okay. What's in this box? There's a pair of sunglasses in here. Does the manual tell me? The manual that's now been stepped and chewed on tell me what's in here. Don't eat the glasses, guys. Let's see. That's how to install it, how to follow them with some codes. Doesn't tell me why I have glasses with them. It doesn't, there are no list of parts here. What else is in here? Okay, so here's corded for hanging it. It's got whatever those called, so 1/8 inch rope hangers, and it's got hooks. So that was what was in the box, and a pair of sunglasses. I don't know why there's a pair of sunglasses right here. So, have you kittens discovered anything better? Oh, don't chew the box, honey. Alright, so there's another box. There's Vivosun on it. Don't know what's in here. Power cord and more hooks for hanging it. All right. I'll put it back in its box. I don't want kittens to eat everything. So then we have basically the light in here, which you can see right there. Which I'm just adjusting so let's get a good view of the light. There we go. All right, so here's the light. Hey guys. All right, let me lift the light out. All right. Oh, hey, kitten paws. So here's the bottom side of the light. It's got a plastic cover on it that I'm going to leave on right now. Obviously, you would take off that cover when you actually use the light. And that is everything that comes in the box. I still have no idea why there are sunglasses. And oh God, guys. So this is what happens when you have kittens. Look, they've already chewed through that little piece of paper. Hey, you guys. All right, so that's everything that's in the box, or excluding the kittens. So if you get a Vivosun, you don't get kittens. Kittens not included. All right, I'm gonna put everything back in here. And that's this part of the unboxing. I will go through, oh, look at this. All right. I would like this back. I would like this back, kittens. All right, I'm just gonna put this back in. Check the box. And then, oh, that would be why there are these holes. So hopefully the light and everything works, despite the breakages of the box. You can totally unpack your box with kittens. It will work. Ah! Give me back the box, kittens. All right, there we go. With kittens. All right, so let's just attach the pieces. People can see how it's supposed to look. Very easy assembly. I did read my kitten chewed instructions. And then you stick a bar basically between this. It hangs like that. And then let us, so there's a switch on the side here. You can decide how bright you want it. And let us plug it in. And make sure it works. Oh, yep, it does. is. So, very bright, very, very bright. You can see. So there we go. I'm going to turn it off. It won't melt the plastic shield. And that is the Vivosun.